get our crew together. Good morning, it's July. We got Mike Ragosh. Where's Billy? Hi. And Mary Ellen, right? All right, here we go. Off St. Paul Street. What's the water temperature, Bill? What do you think is the water temperature? 69. 69? All right. All right, looks like we got a great group. Let's have a lot of fun. Here we go. Anything you want to say, Mike, before I get lost? Any last words? The sun is always rising in the east. How's everybody? That's right. That's all right. As long as they're not hungry, we don't care. Yeah. Here we are at the Crest Buoy. Another beautiful day looking at the Wawa Crest skyline. All right. All right, have fun, guys. Are you going in or going up, down? All right. All right, see you on the inside. Oh, wow, that's good. Very good swim this morning. We made it all the way to the library, right, the Wawa Crest Library, with our coach, Mary Ellen. Mary Ellen likes Mary Jane. All right, coach. Now, how far are you going? North Wildwood? Oh, we're good for today? All right. Well, did you have a watch? Do you just time me or something? All right, here we go. Let's go in. See you on the beach. No place like home. Every swim is different, though. Don't you think? Every swim is a little different. The conditions are always a little different. That's what I love about the swim. Good water, baby. Great job, Bill. Beautiful day. This was a great swim. I just told Mary Ellen, I said, every swim is different, don't you think? It's like a hike or something like that. That's what I love about the swim.